So you're one of the lucky people who want to build a Super Smash Bros. Collection and you don't know where to start. Well, you're in luck because this is kind of a guide on how to start your Super Smash Bros. Collection and generally what it takes to build a collection like this. If you are not careful with this hobby, it can run you up to about $8,000 just to build the Super Smash Bros. Collection. And if you think I'm lying, we're gonna go take a look at some of the couple of things that I've gone through that cost a lot of money and how to avoid overspending money and how to make good choices in order to purchase your correct figures. So right, just to show you like a quick look of everything, how much everything costs, let me just show you the cost of this. He will run you about $84, and that's just like on the cheap side. $70, $149. You can see how people are selling these for a crazy amount. Look, $159. This is just the SHF brand. If you search up SHF Luigi, it does you the same. $42, $32. This Mario is $32, and this is the SHF version, the version which most people get it. But if you're smart, what you will do is get Jakks Pacific Mario. It literally looks like the SHF, has good articulation, and it will run you a cheaper price. Look, $7. This one's 25, this one's 19, this one's 14, and it'll run you some pretty decent price. If you get SHF Bowser, if you get SHF Mario, SHF Luigi, and SHF Yoshi, literally those four totals equals to this amount. I'm gonna display it right here. That is just for characters that aren't niche. If you want Zero Suit Samus Figma, it runs you about $100 in USD, and usually you can't find these in store. They're always for $100, so just be in mind of that. Now we get to the Super Smash Brothers series, right? This is where people don't know what version of Super Smash Brothers they want to do. Some people combine all of these, and yes, they do have different characters, and they do have different versions of characters. If you just want to do an original Super Smash Brothers, it is 12 characters, right? The original 12. That's fine, perfectly fine. Now, if you want to make versions where they look updated but they're the original 12, you can do that, or you can get them in their own art style, which is another endeavor because those figures don't exist. You're gonna have to 3D print them. Now if you go to Super Smash Bros. Melee, right, same thing, 26 characters. The roster just keeps increasing more and more. Super Smash Bros. Brawl, right, 35 characters. And then for the 3DS and Wii U, 58 characters. Now this is what everyone does. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. It includes every fighter of all these past characters right here, all into one. People usually do the Super Smash Bros. Ultimate collection because they want a big collection. They want 89 characters, and some of those don't exist, like the Fire Emblem characters. So you're just gonna have to really plan how you're gonna do this, because I'm telling you, it can run your pockets really deep. But like I said, if you plan, you gotta plan and you gotta save up. Like Master Hand, you gotta get freaking customs of this. I do know that Masho 777 is really good at collecting this, but this is essentially all the brands that you have to collect. And I'm telling you right now, all these fighters like Jakks Pacific, Figma, Blockies, if you're smart enough, Bayonetta, and you essentially just have to do your research. You could copy off of other people and see what they've done, because I do know that that's what I've done. So far, I have 24 out of the 89 characters, and I've spent a total of around $500 because I did trade figures for it. But think about that, $500, and that's on the low end. That's insane to me. And I haven't bought the funny thing about it is I haven't bought any imports. The only imports I have for this is the Mario and Luigi. I haven't bought anything else off of imports. Everything else have been Jakks Pacific or other brands. That's how insane it gets. So you got to keep that in mind, and hopefully that does help you out in your Super Smash Bros. Collection.